Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a car battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to prevent any accidental movement. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by locating the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Use your wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable and tuck it away from the battery. After that, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable, and disconnect it in the same manner. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with your wire brush. This ensures good contact and prevents corrosion. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's secure. Then, connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable, tightening each connection firmly. You're almost done. Double-check that all connections are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the terminals. For added protection and to extend your battery's life, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. This helps prevent rust and ensures a reliable connection. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.